In a world full of noise, a world full of distractions, a world drowning in chaos, there is yet another world. This world sings the softest melodies, the most tranquil lullabies. It calms the restless. It is peaceful in this world. This world caresses sensually. Glistening smiles kiss the shore. Pebbles dance joyfully. It is splendid in this world. This world welcomes absent judgment with open arms. All is beautiful in this world. This world is glorious. All are beckoned to marvel. Let's escape together. Let's linger a little longer in this world. This world is an escape. It is a lucid dream, full of vibrance, absent gloom. This world is within our own world. This world is a sanctuary. This world knows no hate. This world is a long, slow exhale.